and that's the latest detail that is coming in after the Congress has questioned forces over disengagement, saying India ceded territory. This is the Defence Ministry releasing a statement that reads, and I quote, "The Ministry of Defence has taken note of some misinformed and misleading comments being amplified in the media and on social media regarding the disengagement currently underway at Pangong So. At the outset, Ministry of Defence reiterates that the factual position has already been clearly communicated by the Raksha Mantri in his statements in the Parliament. However, it is necessary to set the record straight and counter certain instances of wrongly understood information being amplified in media and social media." I want to bring in our senior executive editor, Abhishek Kapoor, who's with us on the phone line, because Abhishek, the Defence Ministry has put out details of what is happening at the LAC, of the entire process of disengagement, and most importantly, a message to the opposition clearly stating, do not spread any misinformation. Please elaborate on that, Abhishek.
Well, yes. So we saw after the announcement of truce and disengagement between India and China in this sector, and the subsequent statement by Defence Minister both in the Sabha and Lok Sabha, there was an attempt to the development to certain facts.
That line is not very clear, and we will have to try and reconnect with Abhishek. But I just want to read out certain other details that have been put out in this statement, as the Defence Ministry has asserted that Indian territory is up to Finger 4 is categorically false. The territory of India is as depicted by the map of India and includes more than 43,000 square kilometers currently under illegal occupation of China since 1962. Even the line of actual control, as per Indian perception, is at Finger 8, not at Finger 4. That is why India has persistently maintained the right to patrol up to Finger 8, including in the current understanding with China. Permanent posts of both sides at the north bank of Pangong So are long-standing and well-established. On the Indian side, it is Dhan Singh Thapa post near Finger 3, and on the Chinese side east of Finger 8. The current agreement provides for cessation of forward deployment by both sides and continued deployment at these permanent posts. I believe Abhishek is back with us. Abhishek, please continue. All right. We may have lost that line again due to some technical snag, and we will try and fix that. But remember, this is extremely important, as the Defence Ministry has now put facts on record. This after the opposition continued to target our forces, saying that when it came to the disengagement process at the LAC, India has ceded territory. But the Defence Ministry putting down facts and continuing with what the statement reads, I quote, "India has not ceded any territory as a result of this agreement. On the contrary, it has enforced observance and respect for LAC and prevented any unilateral change in the status quo." Raksha Mantri's statement also made clear that there are outstanding problems to be addressed, including at Hot Springs, Gogra and Depsang. The outstanding issues are to be taken up within 48 hours of the completion of Pangong So disengagement. The effective safeguarding of our national interest and territory in the eastern Ladakh sector has taken place because the government has reposed full faith in the capabilities of the armed forces. Those who doubt the achievements made possible by the sacrifices of our military personnel are actually disrespecting them. Unquote. So just to put this into context from where it started, and of course the Defence Ministry has followed up with a statement, but actually it was Rahul Gandhi who had questioned the government over its agreement with China on disengagement in eastern Ladakh and alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had ceded Indian territory to the Chinese. His attack on the government came a day after Defence Minister Rajnath Singh assured the Parliament that India has not ceded anything in the sustained talks with China, and it will not allow even an inch of its territory to be taken away by anyone. The centre and the BJP have strongly hit back at the Congress over this statement. A slew of reactions that we picked up. Let's listen in.
भारत का जमीन चीन को दिया है, उनका दादा से जाके बात करने के लिए बोलना जवाहरलाल नेहरू साहब से, उनको मालूम पड़ता है।
वो कायर कह रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को।
कौन कह रहे, कौन देशभक्ति है, सभी देश की जनता को मालूम है।
आपको याद होगा कि जब हमारे सुरक्षा बलों ने घुस करके पाकिस्तान में आतंकवादियों का सफाया किया था, तब उस पर सबूत मांगे जा रहे थे, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक पर सवाल खड़े किए जा रहे थे, और अब हमारे जो देश की पुख्ता सुरक्षा नीति है उस पर बवाल किया जा रहा है। ये फैमिली फोटो फ्रेम में फिक्स पार्टी और कुंद बुद्धि पप्पू जी का ये जो कमाल है, इसका तो कोई रास्ता नहीं है। अब ये कुंद बुद्धि का कमाल है या कुंदे की टाल है, ये तो खुद ही कांग्रेस बता पाएगी। देखो, ऐसा है कि अब पार्लियामेंट के अंदर रक्षा मंत्री जी ने बहुत स्पष्ट तरीके से, बहुत साफ तरीके से देश की सुरक्षा के बारे में कहा, जिसको सबने स्वीकार किया। अब इसका तो कोई इलाज है नहीं कि आप अगर कहीं और से सुपारी लेकर के देश को बदनाम करने की षड्यंत्र और साजिशों में लगे हुए हैं, सुरक्षा बलों के मनोबल को तोड़ने की षड्यंत्र और साजिशों के नाकाम कोशिशें कर रहे हैं, तो उसका तो कोई इलाज नहीं है।
ये माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हैं और हम लोग की सरकार, जिन्होंने अपने अगल बगल सभी देशों को यह जता दिया कि आप अगर भारत पर वार करेंगे तो भारत वापस वार करेगा। ये हम लोग की सरकार ने की, ये प्रधानमंत्री जी ने की, चाहे वो उत्तर में हमारे नेबर हों, चाहे पश्चिम में हमारे नेबर हों। और ये पूरी दुनिया देखी है जिस तरह से ये काउंटर मूवमेंट हुआ हमारे लद्दाख बॉर्डर पर और हम लोगों को एक एज मिल गया, उसका बयान हमारे रक्षा मंत्री ने भी किया था।